Greetings everyone, I'm Kim Kazianka with IBN News, and we're here at the House of Yahweh, continuing our coverage of these amazing signs from heaven. In our previous report, we told you of a sign seen over the House of Yahweh's sanctuary. That was the second sign to be seen. That's right, second sign from heaven, witnessed by the House of Yahweh in just a matter of a few months' time. The first sign from heaven was seen over the House of Yahweh property just before sunset, forming a perfectly shaped donkey with a pack on his back. The donkey was looking at the cloud in front of her, which was the perfect shape of the olive tree that was placed over the House of Yahweh for an earlier advertisement by the priests of the House of Yahweh. In a sermon dated 10/20/2011, overseer of the House of Yahweh Israel Hawkins read the scriptures in Luke 21:11 and Matthew 24, which Yeshua stated that there will be signs from heaven, and that he, Yeshua Messiah, is going to be the one to send it. Overseer Israel Hawkins goes on to say that this sign was given to the House of Yahweh by the high priest Yeshua Messiah himself through Yahweh. However amazing the first sign of the donkey on the cloud is, the signs have not stopped there. IBN News brought you breaking coverage of the second sign that was seen. We now have more facts to report to our viewers. These depictions reveal the second sign, as witnessed by two school teachers over the sanctuary of the House of Yahweh. The two teachers describe seeing a cloud over the sanctuary, with another cloud shaped as a rectangle underneath the top cloud. Within this rectangle box, 5 letters, SHDHF, were written. In this depiction we are seeing was what the first teacher saw. She did not see the letter F, but the second teacher could see the F from behind the tree where she was standing. At that same time, to the left, another cloud appeared, and this one was a square box, and it was a perfectly square-shaped box. In the box, it looked like mountains coming up, and the letters GE with an extended bottom on the E and a period at the end of the extended bottom were also seen. In the box, the little mountains receded and an A came up from the box. The letter A went down and the mountains came back up. This occurred 3 times. On the third time, the letter A came back up strong and perfectly plain. The letters spelled out the word age. The sign was stationary right over the House of Yahweh, and it stayed there a certain amount of time until they could write it down. Then it started to move to the north fast and quickly disappeared. In the sermon dated 12/24/2011, Overseer Israel Hawkins stated that this was a sign from Yahweh. At the time the earth mourns, then we will see the sign from the Son of Man in heaven. There are many scriptures that talk about signs from the heavens in this time period. We here at IBN News know that these signs have to mean something. But what? The priests of the House of Yahweh are diligently studying these signs as we speak. We will continue to stay on top of this story as it unfolds here in Abilene, Texas. For IBN News, I'm Kim Kazianka.